Oh, is he? Yeah.
And I tell you, as an adult.
Oh my God.
Did she run the light?
Yeah, she ran the light. And my car's toast.
Yeah.
In a quarter mile, make a slight left turn on Long Beach Road using the upcoming left lane.
Oh my God.
What happened?
Just in front of us.
Oh,
Did you hear it?
Come on. Be it.
Impeachment in American history, which Republican Senator Lamar Alexander was reportedly reading in the Senate chamber on Thursday during the impeachment trial of Donald Trump. John, thank you very much for joining us. What about, what do you make, first of all,
following message come from Personal Capital, helping over 2 million people with free online financial tools. Download the app or sign up today at personalcapital.com. Personal Capital. Invest with logic. Plan with heart.
5 p.m. today.
Oh my!
Now, do you want the blue Snuggie, or do you want to see what else we have in the room?
Let's see what else you have in the room.
Don't forget the shoes if you're a size 9, but really they're an 8.
All right, Froggy, what do you have?
Okay, so while holding your phone at a viewing angle for whether you're doing car directions or whatever you're doing.
No, okay. Now, Aaron, is that something that sounds like you? I mean, Heaven, does that sound like something you want?
No, because I have a loony.
Yeah, because Gandhi has little boy feet.
Yes. Yeah. These.
But more often than not, it's like it's not a situation.
Oh my god!
I thought he was gonna hit the thing. You know? Oh my.
I was driving home in my car from work and realized that there were a set of headlights that were coming up on me rather fast. After keeping an eye on it for a while, I realized that it didn't seem like he was slowing down and it didn't look like he was actually going to go around me. So I ended up swerving to avoid getting rear-ended. After following the driver, I realized they were going about 90-95 miles an hour. In retrospect, I realized that had I been on my motorcycle, I'm not sure how I would have responded to the incident. Just be careful, guys. People are super unpredictable. Whether in a car or on a motorcycle, stay vigilant.